Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. So this is the project. So it's named it as a detection of cardiovascular disease using ECG images. So first we will go with the code. So what we are going to use here, all the things. So here we are using Python technology with Flask framework. So Flask is nothing but one of the web framework used to create a static web pages. Okay, and along with that, here we are using a algorithm like so here we use algorithm like mobile net architecture. And so after that we'll go to the main code. So this is the main code part. So here what is the thing we are going to do means, so in this portion, so we are going to make it as so first we're going to importing a Flask framework. So Flask is nothing but a web framework used to create a static web pages, and we call it as a static web framework, and we call it as a lightweight web framework. When we are going to use here TensorFlow and Keras, so which is going to use for to get the model. So what we have trained, like MobileNet V2 architecture, what we use, so we trained that. So that model we have to import here. So for that purpose we are using here TensorFlow, and report lab is for the report generation, and we are going to download that in a PDF format. And date and time, so date and time is going to display so what are the confidence level we are going to get for each and every uploading of images. Okay, so here from here onwards the Flask framework is going to start. So verbose names is class names. So how many types of classes we have here in a data set? So one is myocardial infraction. Next one is history of myocardial infarction, abnormal heartbeat, and normal person. So here we have four verbose names, means four class names. This is the model name ECG.H5. So ECG.H5 is nothing but a, so the data set what we are taking, and as well as the algorithm MobileNet architecture what we are taking. So the applying algorithm and data set. So after making of all the procedure, we are going to store that in a ECG.H5 file. So which is going to useful in the prediction purpose. Okay. So after that, so here this is the app.root. So app.root is nothing but a redirecting of one page to another page. So while we are going to enter into the web pages, so here we are going to run the project python space app.py, hit enter. So we are going to get a link, so localhost server link. So by using that we are going to make it of execution of project. And why we have to use frameworks here means, so by using the frameworks, so in Python we can't write a full of front end codes, and full by using HTML and Python, so these two are programming languages. So in these two, the Flask is going to act as a bridge in between these two programming languages, combining it and giving instruction to the Python. So take it as a front end as HTML pages, and by using Flask framework, so take it as a bridge and execute the program. Okay, so now it's executing, so it will take a little bit time. So why? Because of that here we are using TensorFlow. So by using TensorFlow it have to load the model, so it will take a little bit of time, around 1 minute. So after loading of that, so here we are going to get link of the website. Here we will get, so this is the web page is running on a local host. So just we have to copy this and we can paste in a web browser. So this is the first page, so home page. So after this, so here we are going to make it as login. So in this login, so here we are going to using we are not using any kind of database or backend. So just we are using here a static login credentials by providing in a code username admin and password admin. By providing those codes, so we are going to get a lightweight framework. So we can easily make an interaction with that. So after that also it will take some more time for the loading of the web page. Because of that here we are using TensorFlow, because here we are using image processing. For image processing it will take a little bit of time for loading of a web page, and as well as it mainly depends on the cache. If there is any cache created in web page also it will take time, or else any network issue also it will take time. So here we are going to provide username and password username admin and password admin, and we have to click a login. So it's login success. If you want means we can change the login credentials in a code. So it's already there in a upload login.html. So in that we can make a changes. So while coming to the choose file, so here we are going to upload a file. So first I'm going to upload image of normal image. Okay, so after that, so I'm going to click on submit. So after clicking on the submit, so we are going to get a prediction as well as the confidence level, as well as we can download the report as a PDF format. Okay, so here it's showing the detection of cardiovascular disease in ECG, the uploaded image, and its a result of prediction is normal person and patient ID. So as well as confidence score is, so normal person is 99.95 percentage, and we can download the PDF report also. So as well as if you want to check for another one, so this is the report. So how it's going to display. See, so this is the report. So each and every patient like they can make the things. Again we will go for view. Again we will upload a one more image. So if we upload a one more image, if we're going to show the prediction correctly, so then the algorithm what we upload in data set and it's trained correctly and it's working properly for the for the prediction purpose. So it's a myocardial infarction. So we'll go with and submit, and we'll check here what is going to be come. So the prediction result is going to be what we have to get is, so myocardial infarction. So here the myocardial infarction. So the score is confidence score is 100%. So after that we can see the performance analysis. So it's almost like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 measures as well as confusion matrix. And finally, we can see the chart. And finally, it's logout. So if you want to know about more information about how the algorithm is going to train, how it's going to be worked, each and everything, if you want more means, so contact us for more details. So you will get a info and direct explanation to buy the project. So contact us immediately.